Ooh, look at this one, Janelle. Come on, you wouldn't.
I can't lift it.
There we go. It's a nice fish. What do you think of it?
My arms hurt.
Look at this, guys. Look, we got our 15 fish this morning. Lovely pan of fish. Clean these now and have some fish for supper. Yeah, as you can see there, guys, you got some onions fried up there. We got our brews getting close to done. When these starts to come to a boil, they're done. And we got some cornfish. Almost another 2 or 3 minutes till we're done. And we're going to join this up. Now we're making a fish and brews this evening. Not using no cast iron today because I need ballers and this stuff. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to carry on cooking there now for a few minutes, and we'll get back to you and show you what's on the plate. Getting close there now, another minute or 2, and the cornfish is almost done. Here in Newfoundland, cornfish is every salted fish for about, some leaves in a half hour. I usually go to 2 hours, hour and 45 minutes, and you get a salty taste, but the fresh is like there too, so it's not a heavy salted, not briny. Yeah, so anyhow, now a lot of people do cook scrunchions with this. This is with pig's fat, and fry it up and put fat over the scrunchion, but I don't like that, so I just put in onions. Yeah, it's only a couple seconds there now and it'll be done. Okay, we've got the brews all done. I'm just going to dump in the fish and dump in the onions. So you want the onions on after? Or?
Yeah, put it in now.
Put it in now, she said.
Oh, okay. Go. I'll stir up and we'll get to the plate. Well, it's done and it tastes awesome. There we go. And sir, gotta have a cup of coffee with brews. Yeah, thanks for joining me on this video, and yeah, the next video I do will be on a new camera, so I don't know what's going to be like in that, but anyhow guys, we'll see you then. Thumbs up, please subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Well guys, the fish and brews is good, but add a little bit of this stuff with it. Man, oh man, oh man, don't want to put a lovely taste to it. You get this stuff on Amazon. I just put a little sprinkle on it. Put it on my eggs or pork chopped steaks, chicken, whatever you want. Now the more you put on, the spicier you get. So if you only want a little spice, just add a little, and it's awesome. Hey guys, Talk to you later.